Have you ever wondered why some Anthurium plants are always full of buds and grow vigorously all year round? The secret is not expensive fertilizers, but proper care and providing the right nutrients that your plant truly needs. In this video, I will share a natural method that has helped many Anthurium plants produce new shoots, develop stronger roots, and maintain healthy growth over time. Watch until the end to discover this simple, yet highly effective Anthurium care secret. Now, let's take a closer look at this Anthurium plant. At first glance, I can see several faded flowers along with some leaves and flower stems showing signs of pest damage. This is a common situation for plants that have been growing and blooming continuously for a long period. To help the plant recover, the first thing I will do is carefully remove the faded flowers, old leaves, and any damaged parts. This not only improves the plant's appearance, but also helps prevent pests from spreading and allows the plant to focus its nutrients on new growth. By the way, where are you watching this video from? I'm delighted to welcome you to Flower Care Garden. Please leave the name of your country or city in the comments below. It's wonderful that plant lovers from around the world can connect, share experiences, and learn from one another. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also available in multiple languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. So no matter where you are in the world, you can easily enjoy the content in your preferred language. Simply open the video settings and select the language you would like to use. Next, I will apply a thin layer of natural turmeric powder to all the fresh cuts on the plant. Turmeric has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that help protect wounds from harmful pathogens. It also helps the cuts dry faster, supports recovery, and reduces the risk of rot. This is a simple yet effective step to keep the plant healthier after pruning. Now I will use coffee grounds, a common kitchen ingredient that can be very beneficial for Anthurium plants. I add 3 tablespoons of pure coffee grounds to 1 liter of boiling water and stir well to extract the nutrients into the water. Coffee grounds contain nitrogen, potassium, and various trace minerals that are beneficial for plant growth. When used properly, they can help stimulate root development, improve nutrient absorption, enhance the growing medium, and support beneficial microorganisms in the soil. As a result, the plant can maintain greener foliage, grow more vigorously, and remain healthy over the long term. After stirring thoroughly, I will let the mixture sit for about 30 minutes until it cools completely before applying it to the plant. After allowing the coffee mixture to cool completely for about 30 minutes, I will strain out all the coffee grounds and keep only the nutrient-rich extract for the plant. This liquid contains natural nutrients from coffee, such as nitrogen, potassium, and trace minerals that benefit plant growth. When used properly, it can support stronger roots, greener foliage, and improved overall plant health. After filtering out all the coffee grounds, I will add 3 vitamin D1 tablets to the extract and stir until they dissolve completely. Vitamin B1 is commonly used by gardeners to help plants recover from pruning stress and support the development of stronger roots and new shoots. When combined with the natural nutrients in the coffee extract, this mixture becomes a gentle nutrient solution that can help promote healthier plant growth. Next, I will add about 1,000 milliliters of room temperature water to the mixture and stir well. This dilution makes the solution gentler, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients more easily and making it suitable for regular use on Anthuriums. After this step, we have a natural, easy to absorb nutrient solution ready to use on the plant. Step 1. I prepare a clean cotton pad and soak it with the coffee and vitamin B1 solution we just made. Then, I gently wipe the entire surface of each Anthurium leaf, including both the upper and lower sides, to ensure the solution is evenly distributed. Regular leaf cleaning provides many benefits for the plant. First, it removes dust and dirt that accumulate on the leaf surface, making the leaves cleaner, shinier, and more efficient at capturing light. Clean leaves can also exchange gases more effectively and support better photosynthesis, allowing the plant to produce more energy for growth. In addition, the nutrients found in the coffee solution, together with vitamin B1, help support the plant's vitality. Healthy and well-maintained leaves allow the plant to use nutrients more efficiently for root development, new shoot growth, and vibrant green foliage. You can think of this leaf cleaning step as a special care treatment for Anthuriums. It not only keeps the leaves clean and attractive but also helps create the ideal conditions for healthier growth, long-lasting vitality, and stronger development in the future. For this method, you should clean the leaves only once every 7 to 10 days. This helps keep the leaves clean, glossy, and supports more efficient photosynthesis. When applied regularly, Anthurium plants can grow healthier and maintain better overall vitality. Step 2. After cleaning the leaves, I pour the coffee and vitamin B1 solution into a clean spray bottle. Then, I gently mist the entire Anthurium plant, including the leaves, stems, and the area around the base of the plant. Spraying this solution allows nutrients to come into direct contact with the leaves and stems. As a result, the plant can make better use of the nutrients while helping the foliage maintain its natural freshness and appearance. In addition, the fine mist helps remove any remaining dust from the leaves and supports gas exchange and light absorption. When the leaves are healthy and unobstructed, the plant can photosynthesize more efficiently, producing more energy for root growth, new leaves, and fresh shoots. This is a simple yet beneficial care step that helps Anthuriums maintain beautiful green foliage, stay healthy, and grow steadily over time. Step 3. Next, I will apply the coffee and vitamin B1 solution directly to the growing medium of the Anthurium. As the solution penetrates the root zone, the plant can gradually absorb the nutrients, helping support root development and improve nutrient uptake. The natural nutrients found in coffee, such as nitrogen, potassium, and trace minerals, combined with vitamin B1, can help support root development, improve nutrient absorption, and maintain plant vitality. They may also contribute to a healthier growing medium, support beneficial microorganisms, and create favorable conditions for root growth. When the root system is strong and healthy, the plant can grow more vigorously, maintain deep green foliage, and encourage the development of new shoots. This is an important step that helps Anthuriums grow steadily and maintain long-term vitality. Step 4. After applying the solution and waiting for about 10 minutes, I will lift the pot to allow any excess liquid to drain away. Next, I use a soft, clean cloth to gently wipe away any remaining moisture from the leaf surfaces. This helps keep the leaves clean, glossy, and prevents excess moisture from staying on the foliage for too long. Drying the leaves helps prevent excess moisture from remaining on the foliage for too long while keeping the leaf surfaces glossy and healthy. Clean and well-ventilated leaves can exchange gases and absorb light more efficiently, supporting better plant growth. Finally, I place the plant in a cool, well-ventilated location with gentle indirect light so it can dry naturally and rest after the treatment. This allows the Anthurium to benefit from the nutrients while maintaining ideal conditions for healthy growth. After about 2 months of consistent application, the Anthurium showed noticeable improvements. The leaves became darker green, shinier, and new growth appeared healthier and stronger. A well-developed root system helped the plant to absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, supporting long-lasting health and beauty. If you found this method helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Flower Care Garden for more simple and effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.